This is the third tutorial in the series of Python Beginner to Advanced, and today I am going to tell you how to print Hello World in Python. Before that, I want to compare Hello World program in different programming languages. As you see, if we need to create this Hello World or need to print a Hello World in C, we need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. One for include a standard input output header file, then main function, curly braces, curly bracket close, and then printf hello world. Next is C++. Same as in case of C++, you need to include iostream input output stream header file, and then you will need to print hello world. So you need to line 4-5 lines again. In case of C sharp, you need to again import the package system, then create the namespace, then create a class program, and then inside class program you need to create or develop a main function. Under that you will write console.writeLine, and then you will print hello world. So you write 10-11 lines to just print hello world. In case of Java, you also need to prepare body of a class, then a main function, and then print hello world. But in case of Python, you don't need to write so many codes. We will see the example how to write a hello world program in Python. So as we are just starting this course, there are a couple of ways to start in Python programming. So today we will just print the hello world on command line as well as Python integrated development language environment. So to open Python development IDLE, scroll to Python, ta-da, and click on IDLE 3.7. It will open a default Python editor which I have installed with the Python. There it is. And if you need to do anything, you can type here. If we want to print hello world, print ta-da. So it is very easy command. You just need to write inside the print whatever you need to print. You don't need to include any package module, because there are some functions which are inbuilt in Python and which are available on top of interpreter for them, or for which you don't need to include any external package or module. Apart from this, ideally there is another way to create a Python program using CMD or command line interface tool. Here you can directly type Python and boom, this will create a Python ideally same environment here. Some people also call it Python interpreted environment. So it is just kind of simple editor. You can directly type here print command and you can print. That's it. So if you will compare this print function to other programming languages, you don't need to create here main function. You directly type the print and print the statement. So guys, that's it for today. In the next tutorial, I will add more videos. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.